Welcome back, everybody. When you're looking for excellent home exterior siding, look no further than James Hardie Siding. You've heard of it before. Lucky for you, you can find it locally at Lakeside Renovation and Design. Owner Matt Merrifield joins us now to tell us more. Tell me why, Matt, this James Hardie siding specifically is so important.
Well, I think it's pretty simple. First of all, it's durable. You're not going to have bug problems with it, such as termites or ants. You're not going to have hail damage from it. It's a very durable product, and it looks like wood. It looks really good on the home.
That's important, and I know you've had a lot of history with James Hardie. You've been putting it up for some time, and correct me if I'm wrong, but it seems to me when you use that term, that James Hardie, it's almost like the Cadillac of siding when you tell people that that's the product that you use and specialize in.
That's correct. There are other fiber cement products out there on the market, but by far, James Hardie is probably 7 generations in now of changing the board along the throughout the years. They've been doing it for probably about 40 years now.
The essence of that is that that's the advantage for the homeowner, right? You've got a more durable product.
That is correct, and it's great in the different types of climate that we have here in St. Louis.
It's going to add to the property value as well, I would imagine.
Absolutely, yes, it does.
That's very important.
I put it on my home.
Well, I think that says it all right there, Matt. Thank you so much. Now, you can get more information on Lakeside Renovation and Design by calling 636-978-5000. You can ask them about the James Hardie siding or anything else you need on the interior or exterior of your home. You can find them on the web at lakesiderd.com.